welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today is a blustery day. We've got a wind coming in at 30-40 mile per hour, blowing in from the northwest. Temperature is going to start plummeting, and it's going to be 10 degrees tonight. So, what better way to greet Mr. Winter with a hot pot of beans. What we got here are Southern Lady Cream peas. Now, they're not really a pea. They are a type of black-eyed pea, a cow pea. A bean. They are actually a bean, not a pea. But anyway, they're really small, as you can tell, and very tasty. Here we have some homemade chicken stock, sweet Vidalia onion. Now we're going to jazz it up a little bit this time. We're going to use some Chardonnay wine in there. Now, you don't have to go all out and spend all kinds of money. I got this bottle of wine for $5, so we're good to go. We got some bay leaves, and we're not going to cheat today. We are going to use real garlic. So let's get cooking. In a pot with a half stick of butter, we are going to saute the sweet onion and the 5 teeth of garlic. Okay, now that the onions and garlic are translucent, we're going to add this partially thawed out chicken stock. If I can get it out of the jar. Like so. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Next item, we got 2 quarts of water. Now I'm going to turn this to high because we want it to start boiling. To that, we're going to add 4 and 5 bay leaves and a cup of wine. Okay. Again, we got regular Behringer, not expensive at all. Okay, so now we're going to add the lady peas, mix them up well. And you astute viewers have noticed we do not add salt at this point. Now we're going to bring it up to a boil and boil it for 10 minutes. Okay, we've been boiling them hard like this for 10 minutes. So now we are going to turn down the heat to simmer, and we are going to simmer them uncovered for an hour. So join me then. 30 minutes into the hour of simmering, I have fished out the elusive bay leaves, and at this point we can add the salt and black pepper. In this case, we're adding a tablespoon each and stirring it in. And we're going to continue cooking for another half an hour. Alright, an hour and a half of total cooking time. The last 30 minutes I had the lid on. Boy, they smell really good. Let's go ahead and plate them up and try them. Okay, so in a nice ring of yellow rice, we have the steaming goodness of Southern Lady peas. This is delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and try the lady peas first. By the way, I tasted the seasoning for salt and pepper. Perfect. 1 tablespoon each. You can tell they're from the black-eyed pea family. They got kind of that flavor. I think they're a lot more smoother. They don't have that sort of bitter bite that black-eyed peas do. These are very, very nice and tender. They are inoffensive. They're very tasty. They taste really good. And little kids have a hard time learning to like black-eyed peas because they do have that sharpness. These don't. They taste nice and creamy. The garlic goes very well with these. And let me tell you, that broth, it's down in there somewhere. You can see it. Oh my God, the addition of the wine is stupendous. Just use any old white wine you like. Let's try the yellow rice. Beans and rice always go together so well. This yellow rice is just a regular grocery store Vigo brand. Oh yeah, I got these beans or peas from Amazon. I couldn't find them anywhere locally, although they're a southern thing. I recommend them. I buy them again. Don't need pre-soaking. They taste great. Hour and a half, bingo, you got supper. Wow. And if you want to go full southern, throw in a smoked ham hock. Throw in some smoked pork neck bones. Hell, chicken. You can beef that up. But there you go. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.